it's Kimi here from Whisk Matcha. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Dalgona Matcha. Dalgona Coffee was originated in Korea. Dalgona Coffee is very easy to make. You just use instant coffee, water and sugar. Mix it together, whipped it for 400 times. So it's also called 400 whipped coffee. For matcha, it's a little bit different because matcha is not like instant coffee. You are not able to make that frothy whipped matcha just by using matcha sugar and water. To create that fluffy texture, a lot of recipes are calling for egg whites. Today, I'm gonna explore the vegan version of making Dalgona Matcha using egg replacers. So there are 3 common egg replacers using chickpeas. Chickpeas are very popular. The chickpea water, also called aquafaba. Usually people get aquafaba either from canned chickpea water or you can boil from dried chickpeas. Boiling from dried chickpeas will take a long time, so I'm not using the chickpeas this time. The second option is using chia seeds. The problem with chia seeds is that it's so fine, so it makes it difficult to strain it later on because you don't want to see your seeds in your fluffy matcha whip. The third option, which I'll be using today, is flaxseed, also called flax egg. Basically, you use flax seeds, which you can get from a lot of grocery stores. I got mine from Bog Barn. You put 1/3 of a cup of flaxseed into hot water and let it boil. It gives you this slimy reduction that very similar to egg whites in texture. Flaxseed is so nutritious. It's very high in fiber, vitamins, protein, and very high in omega-3. So people are consuming flaxseed instead of fish oil. See, after boil, the flax seeds are on the bottom. There are layer of clear jelly liquid. You can use a strainer just to catch any remaining flax seeds. Chill it in the fridge for about an hour. We just need to beat it up. Now we add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of